Hey my loves, this is Reshma here. Welcome back to my channel. Now you can try out this gorgeous and striking tricolor makeup look that perfectly goes with the theme of Republic Day. Saffron, white and green might not be your usual choice of shades when it comes to makeup. But today you can come out of your comfort zone and try out a unique look with these three colors. So first I'll be starting with the primer. Set this with a setting powder. Now I'm using this eyeshadow from Beauty Glazed, and I will be first doing my base eyeshadow using the lightest shade from my palette. Now I'll be taking a green shade and covering this shade on my lid. Now the orange shade. Now goes the white shade from my palette. A little bit of blue to the inner corners of the eyes. Now the liner. Now the highlighting. I'll be highlighting the inner corners of the eyes, below the eyebrows. Now the mascara. Eyelashes, just to add drama to the eyes. Now I'll be starting with my face makeup, and I'm using my favorite palette from My Glam, and I will be correcting my face because I have pigmentations all over my face. So I'm using this orange shade corrector from my palette, and I'll be covering this on my entire face. Now I'll be quickly blending this with the help of a sponge. What you can do is you can spray some setting spray to it so the base gets well settled to your face and it gives a dewy look. Now I'm using this concealer from Bobbi Brown, and I will be concealing the high points of the cheeks and the outer and inner corners of the eyes, the bridge of nose, cupid's bow and forehead little bit, and the cheeks area also. Now I'll be blending this with the help of PSC concealer brush. I'm using this foundation from Eric. It's a lovely foundation. It gives such a dewy and shiny look to your face. I'll be taking some of it and I will be applying all over my face with the help of my fingertip. With the help of foundation brush, I will be blending this on my entire face. Now the setting powder. Now the blush. The highlighter and bronzer palette from Bobbi Brown. Now I'll be quickly doing my eyebrows, not much, just to give a shape. Now I'll be doing my lips and last, yes, the lipstick. And here we go. Try out this lovely tricolor look for the Republic Day function. Last but not the least, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon too. Stay tuned for more updates. Wishing all my subscribers a very advanced Republic Day. Jai Hind. Thank you.